In this video, I will show you how to create a campaign in Meta Ads Manager. First, log into your Meta Ads account. From your dashboard, click on the Create button. A pop-up will appear showing several campaign objectives. Select Engagement, and on the upper bar of the pop-up, you can choose between Auction and Reserve. Another window will show up where you can choose to either use the recommended settings. After selecting your preference, click on Continue. Next, scroll down to the Categories section. Click on the tab and you will see different options. Select what best fits your campaign's purpose or audience type. Once done, click on Continue to move forward. In the next section, you can explore all the available customization settings. After reviewing and setting them up according to your needs, scroll down and click on Start Authentication. You will then be prompted to input your mobile number for verification. And once verified, you can review the summary of your campaign. Finally, when everything is set, click on the Publish button at the bottom. A payment pop-up will appear. Choose your preferred payment method and confirm. And that's it. You've successfully created your first campaign in Meta Ads Manager. And that's how to create a campaign in Meta Ads Manager.